Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on a trading psychology concept, and this is going to be we're going to mainly discuss on three topics: what you want, how much, which means quantifying, and how many trades. And in a separate module, we're going to discuss on instruments and your trading capital. These are the most underrated topics that traders discuss, and the 5 points that I have mentioned over here constitutes around 50 to 60% of your trading career. So coming to the first point, what you want from trading. You can take out a piece of paper and you can write what you want from trading. Ideally what happens is whenever we go for any education or any degree, we know what we want from them, right? What we want from that particular degree or education. We want a job in a specific profile. Maybe we want a degree, and then we want to pursue our higher education from other universities. If you get into a job, you know what exactly you need from the job. Maybe you need experience, or maybe a good salary, right? But when it comes to trading, we ideally forget what we want from trading. So as a first task, before it even going ahead and thinking about trading, I want you all to first write it down what you want from trading. It can be anything, right? It can be freedom, it can be financial independence, it can be for a better lifestyle. Remember, there is no right or wrong answer to this question, and you can write anything as you like. And I want you to write in a piece of paper. It's very important for you to note what you want from trading first. Second, identifying a goal is fine, but this is not enough. After identification of the goal, you should be able to quantify it. So what you mean by quantification or quantifying? Quantifying means you need to choose an amount, how much you need from trading. Maybe you need 200,000, maybe you need 500,000, maybe you need 10,000 rupees as a secondary income. Maybe you have a good primary income, but you want a secondary income to take care of you, to take care of your financial needs. Maybe you need 20k. It can be any amount. And I want you to fix an amount that you need per month for the next 2 years. So, what we have done, we have identified our goal, then we have quantified it. Now, as a step three, you need to decide how many trades you are going to take per month. But just before that, I want you to decide what are the instruments that are going to trade on. By instruments, I mean it can be option buying, right? It can be option selling, it can be futures, right? You might want to trade on only futures or maybe cash. So these are called instruments. So you need to fix what is the instrument that you are going to choose, because without choosing an instrument, you're not going to be able to earn consistent returns, because one day you would be interested in buying options, the other day you would be interested or inclined to sell options. It's fine if you have a combination of futures or option selling or option buying, that's fine, but you need to decide what and all you're going to do. If you decide that you're going to do only option buying and option selling, you have to make it as a plan, and you have to discard these futures and cash. Because what I have seen, morning people tend to do or search for stocks to do future buying, and end of the day they end up buying options, right? Which means they have not fixed the instrument that they want to trade on. Okay, so we've decided on this particular three steps. The fourth step is how many trades you're going to take per month, and also as a step 5 you have to decide the trading capital. Both point 3 and 5 are correlated, and you have to make a decision for both of these at the same time. Let's say you have decided option buying and you have decided you're going to take only 5 trades a month, or 3 to 5 trades a month max. In that case, you need to decide how much trading capital you need for that. Because if you're going to take only 3 to 5 trades a month, and let's say you want 20k a month from these 3 to 5 trades, in that case you also need to decide on how much capital you're going to put, right? Because if you're going to take 4 to 5 trades a month, and you need 20k at least, and at least you should have a capital of 5x, which means to earn 20k from option buying, let's say, you need to have at least 1 lakh of capital, which you are going to divide in the form of trades, and you should be able to earn that 20k. Okay, this is same for the other amounts. Now, as we are clear with all these particular steps, the main or the point or the step that you need to do is to gain the right knowledge. Because all the 6 steps that I have shown it to you here, if you miss any of the steps, you're going to find difficulties in a trading career. But today I thought of giving you the right knowledge on trading psychology, and I'm sure this would help you to kickstart your career on trading. And for those who are already been trading for a while, for them it would be beneficial. They can again restart their career with these particular fundamentals. Thank you so much. Thank you.